We often talk about the people Allah loves. But what about the things Allah dislikes, even hates? The Quran and Hadith clearly mention some bad qualities that take us away from Allah's mercy. Let's explore 3 such qualities, so we can avoid them and protect our hearts. In Islam, the goal is not just to do good. It's also to purify our character by leaving behind what Allah dislikes. Avoiding sinful behavior is part of becoming a better Muslim. So, here are 3 qualities that Allah has warned us against in the Quran. Arrogance, pride. One of the most disliked qualities in Islam is kibr, arrogance or pride. Indeed, Allah does not like the arrogant and boastful. Surah An-Nisa 4:36. Pride was the reason Shaitan refused to bow to Adam. When someone thinks they are better than others because of wealth, looks, race, or knowledge, they're walking the path of Shaitan. Even a grain of pride in the heart can block us from Jannah. So always stay humble, because humility brings us closer to Allah. Hypocrisy, nifaq. Another dangerous trait is hypocrisy, when what we show on the outside is not what we are inside. Indeed, the hypocrites will be in the lowest depths of the fire. Surah An-Nisa 4:145. The Prophet Muhammad said that a hypocrite is known by 3 signs. When he speaks, he lies. When he promises, he breaks it. When he's trusted, he betrays. Being truthful and sincere is a sign of Iman. But pretending to be religious while hiding bad intentions is something Allah truly hates. Spreading corruption and harm. Allah dislikes those who cause harm to others through words, actions, or by spreading corruption on earth. And Allah does not like corruption. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:205. This includes cheating, lying, backbiting, or spreading false news, anything that brings harm to society or breaks trust between people. As Muslims, we're told to be a source of peace, not destruction. So, what are the 3 qualities Allah hates? Arrogance, hypocrisy, spreading harm or corruption. These traits are dangerous, not just for others, but for our own soul. Let's keep checking our hearts, seeking forgiveness, and asking Allah for guidance. Because when we remove what Allah hates, we make space for what He loves. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need this reminder. Let's grow together in faith and character, inshallah. Jazakallah khair for watching.